Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we are diving into the best PC build under 70,000 rupees for 2024. Whether you are a gamer, a content creator, or someone looking to upgrade their setup, this build is perfect for you. So, let's get started. First up, we have the heart of our build, the Intel Core i5-12400F. This 12th Gen Alder Lake processor is a powerhouse with 6 performance cores and 12 threads, clocking up to 4.40 GHz. It's got an 18 MB cache and supports both DDR4 and DDR5 RAM, making it super versatile. Plus, it comes with a 3-year warranty from Intel. With the LGA 1700 socket, this CPU is compatible with a range of motherboards, including our next component. The MSI Pro B760ME DDR4 motherboard is our pick. It's compact, powerful, and supports Intel's 14th, 13th, and 12th Gen core processors. With features like DDR4 memory boost, PCIe 4.0x16 slot, and a Gen 4 M.2 connector, this motherboard ensures fast performance and seamless connectivity. Cooling and stability are taken care of with passive and AI cooling features, ensuring your system runs smoothly even under heavy loads. For the GPU, we are going with the Zotac Gaming GeForce RTX 3060 Twin Edge. With 12 GB of GDDR6 memory, 2nd Gen ray tracing cores, and 3rd Gen tensor cores, this card delivers stunning visuals and top-tier performance. Plus, the Ice Storm 2.0 cooling system keeps it cool during intense gaming sessions. Not to mention, it comes with a 5-year warranty, so you are covered for the long haul. For memory, we've chosen the XPG Arta Gammix D30 DDR4 16GB kit to buy 8 GB at 3200 MHz. It offers excellent performance, sleek design, and a lifetime warranty. Storage is handled by the Crucial P3 Plus 1TB NVMe M.2 SSD. With read speeds up to 5000 MB per second and write speeds up to 4200 MB per second, your system will boot up in seconds and load applications in a flash. To keep our CPU cool, we have the Deepcool AG400 ARGB single tower CPU air cooler. It supports the LGA 1700 socket and operates quietly with impressive airflow. RGB lighting adds a nice touch of customization to your build. Powering our build is the Cooler Master G800 Gold power supply. This 800W PSU is 80+ Gold certified, ensuring high efficiency and reliability. It also comes with a 5-year warranty. And finally, housing all these amazing components is the Ant Esports SX3 mid-tower case. It's sleek, spacious, and comes with a pre-installed rear fan. The tempered glass side panel lets you showcase your build in style. So there you have it, the best PC build under 70,000 Indian rupees for 2024. This setup ensures you get the best performance, future-proofing, and style without breaking the bank. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and ring the bell for notifications on our latest content. Drop your questions and thoughts in the comments below. Happy building, and we'll see you in the next video.